it's Miss Nicole from Maine SNAP-Ed and Healthy Acadia. And today I am going to show you a yummy and easy flavored water recipe. Let's get to it. So today for our rainbow water recipe, all you need is cold water, some type of jar or pitcher, and a variety of colorful fruits. You can choose whatever kind of fruits you have on hand. These are just the ones that I happen to have at home. So I have some frozen red raspberries, as well as some frozen wild blueberries. And I picked frozen fruit because it's easier to find at this time of year in Maine. I also have a navel orange and some canned pineapple chunks. And it's important to choose the ones packed in juice. Gather your materials and meet me in the kitchen. Make sure to wash your hands before you get started, and then you can peel and section your orange. Have an adult help you chop the orange sections into smaller bits, and then scoop them up with your hands and add them to your jar or pitcher. Use a fork to put some of the pineapple chunks into your jar on top of the orange slices. Now, open your frozen raspberries and add a little bit into your jar, and top it all off with some of your frozen blueberries. Once all of your fruit is in your jar or pitcher, run some cold water and fill your jar or pitcher up to the very top, submerging all the fruit. Grab a spoon or fork and mix up your rainbow water. Allow your rainbow water to sit for a few hours or overnight in the fridge. When you're ready to drink it, you can either drink with a straw to avoid the chunks of fruit, or you can pour the water through a strainer to separate out the fruit and the yummy infused water. So I hope you enjoyed this rainbow water demonstration, and let me know if you try it.